How to hide profile display on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to hide profile display on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Launch Instagram. Sign into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right. And here, tap on edit profile at top left corner of your screen. Scroll down towards the bottom of your screen and then you can see profile display underneath contact option. Select that. And here you need to make sure that you toggle off the button for display category level. This will simply hide all your profile displays on Instagram. Tap on the tick mark once you have changed, and that is how to hide profile displays on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.